5 Best Motorcycle Helmet. Here is the product number 5. Black Vintage Motorcycle Helmet. Brand name, Wanley. Weight, 750 kilograms plus 50 grams. Item type, helmets. Helmet style, half helmet. Helmet material, ABS. Gender, unisex. Helmet model, German retro vintage. Color, black white blown. Size, adult free size. Material, ABS plus leather. Here is the product number 4. Men Motocross Helmet Off-Road Professional. Features, high-strength ABS shell, lightweight and impact resistance. Sleek and lightweight design reduces wind noise. Multi-density EPS safety buffer layer offers state-of-the-art energy absorption. Comfort soft padding liner uses breathable technical fabric, hypoallergenic, high-grade fabric, soft, ventilation. Flip-up lenses design, provide UV protection. Here is the product number 3. Motorcycle Hat Full Face Helmet. Wirelessly listen to music with integrated Bluetooth technology. Fashion design, let music surrounding your life anytime. Hands-free function, truly free your hand. Satin rechargeable Li-ion battery, long standby and listen music can reach 8 hours. 5.0 EDR Bluetooth version, Hi-Fi earphone. Distance of 10 meters. Here is the product number 2. Dual Lens Motorcycle Helmet Full Face Safe. Hard fog-proof multi-purpose helmet. A helmet 2 forms. 26 years of persistences just give you a more comfortable experience and more intimate protection. Feature durable lock, removable and comfortable lining. Streamline helmet design make riding more labor-saving. The helmet body is equipped with multiple vents to ensure comfort in the helmet. Here is the product number 1. GXT. Certification Retro Motorcycle Helmet. Feature, high-strength ABS shell, lightweight and impact resistance. Sleek and lightweight design reduces wind noise. Multi-density EPS safety buffer layer offers state-of-the-art energy absorption. Comfort soft padding liner uses breathable technical fabric, hypoallergenic, high-grade fabric, soft, absorbent, ventilation, better flexibility, more cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.